Cheng Diao-Fan, a member of the Pi Core team, has revealed some positive potential outcomes for the ongoing Pi Hackathon 2023. She stated the following in a recent tweet from her official Twitter account saying, "Long time no see. Please wait for the update after the hackathon." So, could there possibly be some good news? The good news can only be the update on what all pioneers want right now, which is PiCoin being launched, listed, and licensed to trade on various exchange platforms. This is the only piece of information that could possibly be considered positive right now to all pioneers. Hello there, and welcome back to CryptoConnex. We are delighted to have you back. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. We have resumed our daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins to our subscribers. All you have to do to become the lucky winner is to comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to you all. Many pioneers are beginning to lose hope and don't believe that the Pi Network currency will ever fulfill its objective. But in today's video, we will be discussing in detail all of the current and recent progress that the Pi Core team has so far achieved in a very short period of time, and also all of its commitment to ensuring that the Mainnet is launched, so all pioneers can trade their Pi coins already. Kim Wong just tweeted that the extensive KYC process for the Pi Network is underway. My current estimation is that active validators can complete 30 Know Your Customer checks in a single day, while normal validators can complete only 10. The average is 12.5 KYC per validator per day. The most recent information I heard suggested that 12 million pioneers have already obtained KYC. If there are still 30 million pioneers who need to be verified, the process of verifying each pioneer should take no more than 1 week since there has been mass recruitment of validators. However, it is good to know that those of you who have been moaning about the fact that you haven't received your KYC invitation and worrying that your accounts won't be confirmed may finally relax because enormous KYC is currently being processed. A number of hackathons have been organized by the Piway network as part of its efforts to inspire and assist developers in the creation of original and cutting-edge software for the Pi network. The purpose of holding hackathons is to encourage participation and collaboration, and these events provide a great opportunity for developers to showcase their skills and garner respect from the community. These kinds of events provide a venue for developers to work together, share their thoughts, and come up with innovative solutions that are to the benefit of the entire Pi network community. The good news is that hackathons are accessible to developers of any experience level or background, and they often consist of a series of challenges and projects on which participants can work. Prizes are given out to acknowledge and encourage the development of the most creative and significant new approaches. The hackathons not only offer fantastic educational opportunities for developers, but they also encourage innovative thinking and community expansion within the Pi network. According to a tweet posted by Wong, all pioneers will receive their KYC invitations during this time period, which will end on March 14th, so worry no more. There are probably some of you who are wondering who Kim Wong is. Permit me to introduce you to him and discuss the impact he has had on the Pi network. Kim Wong used to work as an electronic computer engineer, but he has since transitioned into the role of a financial analyst and counselor, specializing in market timing. He has 42 years of experience working in the industry. When it comes to making decisions about trading, he now trusts charts and combines the information they provide with other factors such as trends, valuation, news, and investor mood. He is highly adaptive and engages in business on both the buying and selling sides of the market, since he is well aware that the market can be affected by anything. PiCoin and Open Mainnet working together are like opening a door to a whole new universe of opportunities for early adopters. PiCoin makes it simple for pioneers to conduct transactions, pay for goods and services, and engage in commerce with other pioneers. This merely indicates that the PiCoin can be used on the Open Mainnet to pay for decentralized applications and services, in addition to being staked and utilized for governance. Because it is organized, has the majority of applications, and is ready, every nation in the world is keen to adopt the Pi network coin. In the year 2023, the primary areas of growth that the world will be focusing: Web 3.0, digital money, artificial intelligence, and the metaverse. These are the most recent developments in technology, and Pi is the only open-source blockchain that can accommodate them. Pi has a lot of promise, and it might end up being the type of digital money that people all around the world want to use to trade products and services for one another. It is possible that it will evolve into a super-sovereign digital currency that will be relied on by other sovereign digital currencies in order to conduct business on an international scale. It's possible that this will be the first blockchain platform ever established, ushering in the revolutionary Web3 age. There is no other system that is as powerful and effective as the Pi network is ready. After 4 years of development, the Pi network is getting close to being ready to switch to an open mainnet. As soon as that takes place, it will shock people all around the world, and their reaction to it will be explosive. With the beginning of each new era comes the rise of a brand new upper class of citizens. A new epoch in the history of the Pi network has begun. The peer-to-peer market, the internet, and the Pi network have all undergone enormous changes, which will dramatically influence the lives of people in the future. Don't let this incredible opportunity to improve your life pass you by. Keep working the mines and promoting the product. To be more specific, there is a possibility that Pi coin will alter the way that we think about and interact with cryptocurrencies. It should come as no surprise that the internet shakes whenever news about the Pi network is reported in the media. A significant number of these voids have already been filled in. Some of them are currently undergoing testing, while many others are already fully functioning. These can be located in the Pi browser, so pioneers should all get ready to go to the next level in the world of cryptocurrencies by using Pi coin on the open mainnet. Transactions made using Pi coin are private, instant, and accessible to anybody and everyone because the technology it runs on is decentralized. This implies that you may use Pi coin to make purchases, pay bills, and send money to friends and family without going through third-party middlemen such as banks or payment processors. You can do all of these things directly through the usage of Pi coin. Pi coin can be used in a number of fascinating ways, one of which is to take part in the decentralized applications and services that are developing on the open mainnet platform. This category of applications and services can include everything from social media and gaming to financial services and everything in between. If you use Pi coin in these applications and services, you will be eligible for prizes, and you will also get to experience the benefits of using decentralized technology. Lastly, Pi coin and open mainnet make it possible to conduct transactions at a minimal cost while maintaining a high level of speed and security. This makes it an attractive choice for both pioneer engineers and commercial enterprises. Pi coin and other forms of decentralized technology will see the emergence of brand new cutting-edge applications as the community continues to expand and mature. There are a number of exciting developments on the horizon, one of which is the incorporation of Pi coin into real-world mainstream apps and services. This could include e-commerce and online marketplaces, in addition to other types of services and financial services. Pi network has been subjected to a substantial amount of criticism, and there are rumors circulating that the long-awaited third phase of Pi's development would be released before the end of the year. New ideas and inventions that have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work will begin to emerge when an increasing number of software developers and business owners adopt decentralized technology. All we will do now is hope that the network launch before the end of this year. That's all. For now, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell.